The greater things are harder than the end of time. End of time. So here's to the golden blue, and here's to the silver sea, and mostly here's a toast to you and me, you and me. Tiny bubbles, in the wine, make you feel happy, make you feel fine, tiny bubbles. Yeah, I'd better stop that before they fucking copyright strike me because we're downloading this from YouTube. Piece of shit motherfuckers that they are. I have begun transferring everything over to Twitch and BitChute. I'm trying to get the fuck off of YouTube completely because they are complicit, knowingly, in mass murder. And there ain't no other fucking way to put it. Number two, live casts will not be going on this week. Personal reasons. That's just the way it goes. I'm tired of fucking with this computer. I'm putting on my Pandoras and dancing with mama. I suggest y'all get up on your fields and practice it. You're on short time, folks. Get on it, stewards.